Okay, so let's pick up from where we left off. Last video we had a look at 30 degrees. We looked at cos and sine of 30. Then afterwards we did cos and sine of 150. And so we now can move along and use the symmetry again to find another angle. It's cos and sine. Let's just drop down here. Where do you think we are there? Looking at the geometry, there's 30 degrees in there. And if that was 180, which I've circled at that point, I'll just move some of these bigger values out of the way, just for ease of viewing. 30 degrees past 180 is 210. So now we're looking at 210. What do you think cos of 210 is? Well, cos is the x-coordinate. So cos of 210, it's actually minus root 3 on 2. And what is sine of 210? That's the y value. Well, let's have a look. I can draw a dotted line along here to pick it up. There it is there. And because of the symmetry, that's going to be minus a half down there. It matches the half that we've got up there, but down here it's minus a half. So it's going to be no surprise to you that I'm going to say that sine 210 is minus a half. Do you think we can do this over here? Keep it going. Over we go. Looking at the symmetry, I've got another point here. That'll be 30 degrees in there, which is 30 degrees back from here. So I'm going to call that, and let's just move some of this working out of the way to get us some more space. That's going to be 330. Right there. So what can we say that cos 330 is? Well, it's the x-coordinate, isn't it? That's actually root 3 on 2. And what's sine 330? Well, that's the y-coordinate. And here it is, minus a half. Notice that the y-coordinate of 330 is the same as the y-coordinate of 210. See that? Look at that running along there. And the cos coordinate of 330 is exactly the same as the cos coordinate of 30, which is its x value. See that there? This root 3 on 2 is this value here, and it's the exact same x value that I find myself when I'm sitting there or there. See, they have the same x value. So I can say that cos of 30 and cos of 330 are both root 3 on 2.